to start this style, the first thing you want to do is section your hair. I section some hair right here in the front for the bang, okay? And I also put the hair into a high ponytail. Once you sectioned your hair, you want to go ahead and start with the bang. And the way that I'm going to do that is start to bring that hair, that front section, around, just like this. And I'm just going to put this ponytail over to the right, out of the way, so I can see the back. And I'm going to bring this hair around just like so, creating a bang. Okay, I'm going to bring it around just like that to the back of the head. And I'm going to bring that hair up and just lay it over the top of this ponytail. Once I've done that, now what I'm going to do is go ahead and lay this bang down so that it does not move, okay? And I have a few hairpins here. I have medium, short, and long hairpins. I'm going to start off with a medium hairpin. Has the 2 prongs. Remember my video I did just before this one? I'm going to go ahead and stick it just like this. Just like so. So for the pin right here, I'm going to go ahead and take a short pin. I'm going to take this short pin, just stick it right here. Pretty good. The bang looks pretty good. I think I'm going to add 1 pin right here at the top. And because this is close by the hairline, I'm going to take a smaller pin and put that right up here, just to make sure that the bang doesn't move. Now, just a quick sidebar. What I use to create my ponytails, I use the pipe cleaner. And I'm also going to use the pipe cleaner to attach this bang to the ponytail. You can use whatever you want. I suggest pipe cleaners, but use whatever works for you. And I'm going to connect the bang to the ponytail. What I'm going to do is just hold it just like that. I'm going to take my pipe cleaner and I'm going to wrap it around. Okay? Wrap it around. Okay. Once I wrap it around, I'm just going to tighten it up. And I'm just going to twist it 1 time. See? Now that I have my ponytail connected to my bang, I'm going to go ahead and start with creating that intricate ponytail. And as you notice in that style, the ponytail was kind of stacked. So in order to create that effect, I have 2 donuts here. I have a bigger one and I have a smaller one. All right, I'm going to put the bigger one on first. Now that I got the first one on, I'm going to fan it out, just like so. Just going to fan it out. So I'm going to take some hair from the middle. Making sure to leave some hair down. Second donut on. Some hair coming out the middle of this donut, okay? Now with this hair here, I'm just going to go ahead and do a plait just to get it out the way for right now, because we're not going to be working with this section just yet. just a section, and I'm gonna put a rubber band at the end of the hair, okay? What I'm gonna do is take the hair, I'm gonna kind of twist it around, okay? And I'm gonna create a loop. Just gonna wrap it. Make sure you fold the end of your hair on the inside of the loop, like this, okay? And I'm just gonna create a loop. Fold the hair. I'm gonna create a loop, just like so. Just gonna bring it down and place it flat. Hope you guys can see.
And pin that into place.
And because you have the donut there, it gives something for the hairpin to just stick into. And you won't need a lot of hairpins for these loops because you use the rubber band at the end, all right? So, gonna take another pin, stick it in right there. Shouts out to these donuts working for this style, all right? So we have our first loop there. We're gonna continue. and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Comment down below and let me know what you think about the WAP hairstyle on Locs. Crazy, right? Hit the like button. Share this video wherever you share cool stuff. Your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter. Subscribe. Turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all a long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.